That's right. We danced together.
Yeah, I saw y'all dancing. Looked like she was holding you up. Looked like she's carrying a tree stump.
Surely I know the blessing of the Lord is in this place. I can feel His mighty power and grace. When I feel the touch of angels' wing, I see glory on each face. Surely I know the blessing of the Lord is in this place. And I say, surely I know the blessing of the Lord is in this place. I can feel His mighty power, His power and grace. I will feel a touch of angel wings. I see glory on each face. Surely I know the blessing of the Lord is in this place. I said, surely I know the blessing of the Lord is in this place. When I feel His mighty power and grace. And when I feel a touch of angel wings, I see glory on His face. Surely I know the blessing of the Lord is in this place. When I say surely, I know the blessing of the Lord is in this place. When I feel His mighty power, His power and grace. Oh, when I feel a touch of angel wings, I see glory on each face. Surely I know the blessing of the Lord is in this place. Look where He brought me from. Hey, look where He brought me from. Yes, Lord, I thank You. Through hard work and determination and good saving. Look where He brought me from. When I say surely, I know the blessing of the Lord is in this place. I can feel His mighty presence. I feel His presence in grace. And when I feel a touch of angel wings, I see glory on His face. Surely I know the blessing of the Lord is in this place. I said, surely, surely I know the blessing of the Lord is in this place. I can feel there is no limit on the blessing of God. There is no limit on the blessing of God. No limit, God. No limit. His mighty presence is present in grace. When I feel a touch of angels' wing, I see glory on His face. Surely I know a blessing. The Lord is in this place. Hallelujah.